Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly track overdue activities in Pipedrive so you can stay on top of your tasks. Start by opening Pipedrive and going to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Activities. This is where all your tasks, calls, and follow-ups are organized in one place. Once you're on the Activities page, head over to the top right corner where you'll find the filter options. Click on the Overdue filter. As soon as you select it, your list will update to show only activities that have passed their due date and haven't been marked as completed. This makes it easy to see exactly what needs your attention right away without getting distracted by other tasks. You'll also notice visual cues like past dates, helping you quickly identify what's late. If no activities show up, that means you're all caught up. If you do see items listed, you can go through them and decide what to handle first. And that's it. You now know how to track overdue activities in Pipedrive and stay in control of your workflow. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one.